Hello everyone, welcome back to TEC Expo 2018. We're here with our next presenters. First, Dr. Leah Macfadyen, Engel, and Craig Thompson over here, who'll be talking about Canvas analytics. So yeah, please tell us more, Leah.
Hi Eric, I'm Leah. I'm the Associate Director of the Masters of Educational Technology in the Faculty of Education. And we, like the rest of UBC, are just transitioning over to the new Canvas LMS. I'm excited about using Canvas because it offers a whole lot more capacity to find out the real data on what our students are doing. And I invited Will and Craig to come along and present at this event because they are actively involved in exploring and promoting use of analytics to improve your teaching practice and to improve course design, to give instructors feedback about how their courses are working and how their students are working online. So I'm going to hand over to them.
Sure, yeah.
So Craig and I are working on a learning analytics innovation pilot, and we're working with instructors like Leah on the use of learning technologies and how those learning technologies have the ability to capture a different type of information or data for their courses, and then how can that information or data be used to actually improve teaching and learning. So one of the tools we're looking at is built into Canvas. So Canvas is our learning management system here at UBC, and the tool is called Canvas Analytics, and what it does is it captures some of the data from student engagement and student participation, and looking at how the visualizations of that data could be used to inform teaching. And I'll hand it over to Craig to show some of those tools.
Sure. Thanks, Will. So here we've got Canvas Analytics. I can show you here a quick demo of what's available to instructors to see about their students. So first at the top of the screen, we've got this activity timeline showing when students have been active within a course over the term, so we can see whether there's spikes that correspond to particular assessment deadlines, for example, or where there's periods where there's really nothing happening within the LMS. Below that, the instructor has information about submissions within the course, so whether assignments have been submitted on time, late, or whether they've been absent entirely. Below that, we can see distributions of grades on various assessments throughout the term, so we can see whether some assessments have wide dispersions within their grades, or whether the grades for an assignment are very tightly grouped. Lastly, the instructor has access to sort of a summary view of each student's activity within the course. So they can see how much page view activity there is. This is the browsing behavior of students navigating around the course, or their participation activities. So this is whether they're submitting assignments, doing quizzes, posting to discussion forums, that sort of thing. A second tool we're looking at in addition to Canvas Analytics today is Threads, which is a discussion forum visualization tool that allows instructors to see the social network structure of their discussions within Canvas. So here we have these orange nodes representing individual students, and lines connecting the nodes for students who are talking to each other in post-reply relationships.
Thank you very much, you all. And we'll be back with our next presenters. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Very good, nice. Good job.